Hi guys, this channel is my little effort on educating you about Neville's metaphysical teachings and how you can use the law of assumption to transform your life. I am overwhelmed by your positive response and want to take a moment to say thank you to every single one of you. Today I have an important topic to discuss. It is about how to make your visualization incredibly powerful so that it accelerates your manifestation process. Visualization is a core aspect of every reality creation principle, and it is one skill that everyone needs to master. I know a lot of you already know about visualization. You must have used it one way or the other, but one problem you might have faced is the lack of focus during visualization. Some people start feeling sleepy the moment they start visualizing, or millions of unnecessary thoughts overwhelm their mind before they ever get a chance to visualize their desire. Does that happen to you too? Then please watch this video and follow the advice I am about to give you. The first thing to do whenever you start a visualization session is to bring your body and mind to a calm and relaxed state. I have seen a lot of people who just jump into visualizing their desire without letting their bodies or minds unwind for a while. You cannot visualize that way. That's the wrong approach. You need to prepare yourself for the act of visualization, always. Otherwise, it's just a waste of time. There is a lot going on in your head and your body throughout the day. You need to make sure that your body is out of the usual fight or flight mode and that your parasympathetic nervous system is activated. The parasympathetic nervous system is responsible for the rest and digest function. There are so many ways to activate the parasympathetic system. The ones you can use before a visualization session are practicing yoga, doing some meditation, deep abdominal breathing, or focusing on a soothing word like peace or calm for a few minutes. You can use any method that works for you. But remember, the end goal is to get into a deeply relaxed state where your subconscious is open to suggestions. Once you feel that you are in that relaxed and almost drowsy state, then it is the perfect time to visualize your desire. But before visualizing, just another step that I have seen to work wonders is commanding your subconscious for the task ahead. You can say a statement like, "I am now ready to enter the state of the wish fulfilled," or "I set an intention to be one with my desire now." This little statement will make your visualization session even more effective because it informs your mind of what you are about to do. Then the next step is to create a scene. It can be a scene as small as 5 seconds, or it can go up to 40 seconds. Decide what gets you in the zone. There is no hard and fast rule here. However, the scene you create in your mind must transport you to a dimension where your desire is no more a desire but present fact. So don't focus on the length of the scene. Instead, focus on making the scene appear as real to your mind as you possibly can. Your mind doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's imagined, so make sure you create such a powerful and immersive scene that it appears 100% real to your mind. Then repeat that scene a few times. 5 to 10 times is a good start for a beginner. After repeating the scene a few times and letting your body and mind drench in the imaginal act, the next and last step is to bring up the feeling of gratitude in your heart area. Have you seen how your heart swells with satisfaction whenever you feel thankful for something? That's the exact thing you have to do here. Assume that your desire has come to pass and let your heart flutter in joy. After a few seconds of offering gratitude, you can either go to sleep or simply end your visualization session. I hope this powerful method of visualization will change your manifesting game forever. Try it out tonight and see the magic for yourself. Now guys, the next step in your manifestation journey is to keep watching this channel. Click now on the video on the screen to get access to the most inspiring content about Neville Goddard on the internet.